Sync the timing between hits. Break, break, place, place, break, break, place, place. Okay. Shut up. Shut up. Hi. I don't do Minecraft videos. I don't do those. You don't know me for those. You know me for a Dofi or whatever. Yeah, but this has always been a variety channel. And will always be. I'm gonna upload whatever. And you're gonna like it. Anyways, copper redstone. That was a thing like 8 days ago. And I just got my hands on it. First goal, what was that? So my first goal in this is try to get some logic gates in. It was already obvious in the video, but if you take hang on. Okay, so anyone who doesn't know, copper wires, that's what it is, copper wires. You take the original logic of copper and extend it to be like a wire. These things. No. I'm just gonna video. That's all you need to know. Okay. If you had watched the video and you already know about logic gates, you probably noticed that this thing right here, the copper grate, which works as a turn signal, I guess, can be used as an OR gate. As you can see here. And with the addition of an extra output, you need to give, there's only one output and you have two outputs here, that's not enough. So it's invalid. Oh my god! Oh, that scared me so bad! Oh, oh god! Huh? Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. That scared me so bad. Slash no. Okay, where was I? So, if you add an extra output, these don't match. If one going in and two going out, that's not enough to satisfy them both. If I add a second input, now they're satisfied. This one goes nowhere, but this extra one will go to our output, which is particularly useful because this makes an AND gate, as you can see here. Wow. On its own, this doesn't really provide much, though. You can make that much, but it's not enough to be computational. I need a NOT gate. So I played around with this for a bit and came up on this design where we feed the output into a sticky piston. And because copper wires never interact, we can stack them like this. And there we go, that's our NOT gate. This on, turns off. There we go. What's cool about this is that you can just disable the output entirely. Because that is a problem, whatever. Okay, this is actually one of two designs. The other design uses this, uses the same neat little quirk about the AND gate over there. Where we have some second input like so. Feed it into a gate. I need a piston. Needs to be out one more. Put this there. Put that there. And so normally this is just one output, and this will function as expected. Put this here. Now there's an extra output. This will never be on. Oh wait. But as I was saying, it sort of works like a disable. It turns on now, but now it's disabled and will never be on. It's like an imply gate, whichever one of those it was. And this can actually be used in making an XOR gate. Up here, lever. It's been 6 minutes. No. So the main problem is in XOR gate, it's only when one of the inputs are on. That can be an OR gate plus a NAND gate. I'll just simplify this a bit. Make our OR gate like so. Then we take these up. Turn around, OR gate that. No, and gate that. Take this down. Push this into a weathered copper bulb. So if we do this, we can push it here. Wait. No. This is the AND gate. This is the AND gate. This is the OR gate. That's what I was doing wrong. Push this up. That's what we were doing. There you go. If one of them is on, it will function as expected. Both of them are on, then it turns off. As expected. That's the XOR gate. We can simply make this an XNOR gate. Like so. No. Like so. That was probably overcomplication, but whatever. It's essentially the inverse, NOR plus AND. Yeah. We're computational. We're already Turing complete. How's that? How do I make a full adder? No. How do I make a half adder? We need to make a half adder. No. Best you're getting is a full adder, and that's it. So we need to XOR these two. First of all. Oh yeah, I need to divert these away. That's what this is for. Do these pass through blocks? No. They don't. Huh, dual purpose. Why? What are you doing? What the hell? I'm supposed to be updating! Damn it. Whatever. I don't care. You should not be doing that. I don't want to do that. Why? Thank you. You're a lovely guy. You're a lovely guy, you. I love you. This will just be fed into the OR gate, I guess. OR gate. Wait. No. Move these all the way back here. You know what we need? We need colored lightning things. Colored lightning rods. That's what we need. We need colored lightning rods, because I'm not going to be able to discern these, even with these. It's not helpful at all. Okay. A and B. These will be fed into the... No, because we don't use them past those. What am I doing? Okay, we need C. We need C. C over here. I mean over here. And that's the logical step. To do this tomfoolery just to get it offset back to the ground. I wish I could just like do this. I wish I could do that, but no, I have to use a thing. I have to use a thing in order to... Or why can't I just do this? Why can't I do this? This would be lovely, you know. But no, that's not allowed. You have to use a copper. You have to use a copper thing. Which makes for really dumb stuff like that. That's required. Sorry. Okay. I need to look up the thing. I need to look up the I need to look up the full ladder diagram. Yeah. Wow, this is not understandable at all. Okay, no, never mind. This isn't understandable. I get it. Okay. See, get over here. It's just too low. I can't do it. I'm too tall. Best you're getting is that. This is the and. I don't need to bring those so far. I need quality of life features if I was to make even a usable computer in this. As if I was gonna make one. I'm not making one. No. Don't request me to. Stop. Wait. I need to test something. Is it only for that? Do chains have any other use past that? Like, can I conduct what's already conducted? No, I cannot. Sad. I don't even know if this works. I'm just guessing. That's entirely what I'm doing. This is the AND gate. It would have been more convenient if I just, whatever. Bring these together. Bring the universe together. Whatever. No. Not usable. Let's make this consistent. There. So nobody gets mad at me. I can't even do that. How am I expected? I'm stupid. I'm not stupid. I'm smart. I'm a smart little guy. I'm a smart little guy. Yeah. How is anyone expected to do this? This is witchcraft, so. I need to offset it by like half a copper wire. And now we make the XOR gates once more. Happy birthday! If it's your birthday, it's probably not, by the looks of it. No, it is your birthday. It is your birthday! It's your birthday now. It's now officially your birthday. I'm sorry to say this, but you have been, you're contagious with birthday. I'm sorry. Nobody's gonna like this style of video. Nobody's gonna like this style of video. Nobody will like it. Everybody will hate it. And I will not care because it's really funny. It's really comedical. And now I have to offset it by half a block. Woohoo! Now I can do the thing I wanted to do. Yay! No, I can't. I'm not precise. I'm not Celeste. I'm not Celeste. I'm Madeline. Madeline or Madeline? Which one? Pick your favorite. Celeste Mayboom. There, I made your stupid thing. Except it's offset by, like, a block. That's the carry, that's the sum. A. B. C in. C out. It's not readable. That's not... Who would think that's readable? Me, I would think that's readable. I'm stupid. C out. Sum. Let's see if it works. It's not gonna work. Look at it go! Look at it go! I have to wait for it to turn off in order to do the unit testing. Tick, step, no. Tick, rate, 100. See if that speeds up. I don't think it does. But I hate these bulbs. That's what you get. Mangrove sign. A, B, C, N. Finally, we can test A. Look at it go! That's cool. I like how you get to see it move. That's fun. No, stop. Tick. Great. It's 20 because that was the default. B. Should give me the exact same output. It's faster now because my computer isn't dying. Look at it go. C in. Yay! Turn off now. A and B. It's not working its magic. You don't get to work your magic. Oh, you know what I could just do? No, I can't just do that. Supposed to carry. See if this will do. It's certainly carrying. Oh, wow, now it will be a sum. It should be a sum. Now if I do this, it will be a carry. Yay, look at it go! Well, this'll be a carry. That's cool. That's really cool. I'm carrying some. Wait. Yes! No! Yes! Okay. Finally. We did it. Yay! I hope you're happy. That's really cool. I applaud you. What's one? What's 1 plus 1? No, what's 1 plus 1? 2. No, I'm not gonna blow this up. I'm not gonna blow this up. Am I crazy? I'm crazy. Thank you for your 30 minutes of your time. I applaud you very much for sitting through this. It was 30 minutes for me. I think you're nuts. You don't quit it. I think you're nuts. You don't quit your day job for some crazy dream. And the worst part, you're bringing your brother down with you. Well, thanks, Dad. Thanks for your support. You're not bringing me down. That's Nino Vacho from high school. It's the Super Mario Brothers from the TV. Well, I thought it was incredible. It belongs in a movie theater.